it's Betsy
and Cameron
from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today we have a fun tutorial for you. Today is crafting for Disney. So we are going to be doing an angel in a stitch shirt for me and my husband, which we're actually making an extra stitch shirt for
me.
Why are we making an extra stitch shirt for you?
Because my favorite Disney character is Stitch. So
that way I can wear my shirt with either Jeremy or Cameron. So what you're going to need for today's tutorial are your shirts, which we are using the Bella and Canvas unisex tank tops. I have an adult small for me, an adult medium for my husband, and an adult extra small for Cameron. You're also going to need your vinyl, which I am using Deco Soft Metallic, and we are using black, royal blue, and pink. And you're also going to need your Easy Weeding wooden pick, your scissors, your t-shirt guide, which we use a
16-inch.
Why do we use a 16-inch?
Because our heat press is 16 inches.
And your heat press is going to need to be preheated to about 305 degrees for about 7 to 8 seconds for your first pressing. Now, if you'll give us a moment to get the camera angle changed, we will show you everything we are going to do today. Okay, so for today's Crafting for Disney episode, you're going to need to go ahead and download the His Angel, the Her Stitch file. You're going to get that file from our Patreon page, which is www.patreon.com/BetsyGocher. You're going to click on Post, and you have access to these files if you are a $4 or more a month patron. Then we're going to take and click on the red link that says Her Angel, His Stitch, and click Save. Now we're going to go down here to Google Chrome, and we're going to click Upload. Now we're going to go ahead and click Upload Image and go to Browse, and then we'll scroll down to the bottom of our Downloads folder and select the His Stitch, Her Angel file. I'm saying that backwards. Click Save. There we go. Now we're going to take and insert the image. Okie dokie. So as you can see right now, it is pretty big. So we're going to go ahead and change the height of that down just a little bit and make that 11.5 tall. And now what we're going to go ahead and do is ungroup those files, select the His Angel and weld it, select Her Stitch and weld it. We're going to select the angel file, and we're going to change her color to black because we're going to use the outline of the characters are both going to be black. We're going to check the stitched one and also change him to black. Now I'm going to select both pieces of Her Stitch, and we're going to duplicate that because I'm making one for Cameron as well. Now let's go ahead and click on Make It and see what that does. Okay, that threw them onto 3 separate pieces. Okie dokie. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to zoom out on our screen just a little bit, and we're going to rotate Stitch 90 degrees, rotate Angel 90 degrees. There we go. Because we want to fit these in so we're not wasting any material. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and grab the last stitch and rotate him 90 degrees. And squeeze him in as well. So right now we're sitting at a little over 11 inches by 20 inches, so we want to move them together just a hair more. Okay, there we go. Okay, now let's see where we're at with all 3. Okay, so he's ready to be cut, so we're going to go ahead and attach those 3 together. Hold on, let's undo that because I can see where he went up just a hair too much. And actually, let's see if we take this stitch dude and rotate him around like that. That might fit better. Perfect. So we're going to go ahead and attach them like that. Now we're going to go ahead and click on Make It. So we're going to go ahead and mirror. This is going to be in the blue color. Then these are going to be in black. And then his angel's going to be in the pink. There we go. Now we're going to go ahead and click on Continue. There we go. And we're going to choose the iron-on material. Now, if you'll give me a moment to get the camera angle changed, I will show you everything that we are going to do. Okay, so I have Cameron weeding the vinyl for the stitches. And while he's doing that, we're going to go ahead and get started with mine. Cameron, you might want to move to the other side. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and load the neon pink Bella and Canvas tank top, and this is a unisex tank, onto the heat press. You have plenty of time, Cameron. You don't have to worry about rushing. Okay, with the neck off, we're going to go ahead and grab our t-shirt guide. We're going to grab Angel, and we're going to fold her in half. There we go. Put her right about there. And don't worry about any of that little black shadowing that's on there. It is not going to affect it. Now this little piece right here will, because that's leftover weed. So now I'm going to cover it with the Teflon sheet. We're going to go ahead and press it. It's on 305 degrees. For this first pressing, we're only going to press it for about 5 seconds because we are putting another layer and I want it to go a little bit smoother. So we want to peel this when it's warm, not hot. There we go. See what I was saying? Anywhere that black stuff was, it didn't end up on the shirt. Okay. Now we're going to put his angel on here. I think that looks cute. And y'all know me, I love a good tone-on-tone look. So now we're going to heat that again for 5 to 7 seconds, and then we will do our final pressing on the girl shirt. My heat press keeps shifting. Okay. Now we got to wait for this to cool. But look how good that looks. Okie dokie. Now we're going to cover it one more time. Do a final little pressing of it. And the girl shirt is done. Look how cute that is. And I love how soft this material is. Like, that's what I can't get over. That's why I use this so much, and look how pretty that looks together. Tell me that isn't adorable. Okay, let's set that over there for right now. Okay, we're going to grab Cameron's shirt first. Can you trim those apart, or do I need to?
I can do it.
Okay, so I'm loading on Cameron's shirt, which is an adult extra small, which fits a lot like a youth large. I'll do Daddy's off of camera because it...
you go.
Okay, you want to help put yours together?
Sure.
Okay. Let's go ahead and fold stitch in half. Okay. Kim, put him on there. I'll hold the t-shirt guide in place for you.
So we're putting it right here?
Yeah, you want to pull him up further. Remember, closer to the neck.
There.
Your center mark's off a little bit. You got him twisted a little bit. There we go.
Wait.
Hold on, you have him twisted just a hair. There we go. He looks pretty good. What do you think? Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's cover. You want to push the button? Push the button. We're only going to heat him for about 5 seconds right now. Okay, do you want to peel that part up? Okay, you should be okay. Go slow so that way. Okie dokie. Now let's grab the her stitch portion and I'll put this on here. There we go. And see, now I can wear it with either my husband or Cameron because he's always going to be my stitch. Okay, press it again for a few seconds. You want to peel that up?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Gently and slowly.
Really like the color of that blue.
I do too. And I love that tone on tone effect. There we go. Heat that. 5 to 7 seconds. Well, no. 3 to 4 seconds. There we go. And now Cameron's shirt is done. So let me grab mine. Look how absolutely adorable these look. So they make a good mom son shirt, couple shirt, brother sister shirts. So you can do this for a lot of people. Who's the winner of the Ears and Beers shirts, Cameron?
Brandy Lynn
Sager. So Brandy Lynn, if you will take and email us at Cuttin Corners Vinyl with your shirt sizes and your address, we will get those shipped out to you. Now, what do they need to do if they want to win a set of these?
Like, subscribe, post a comment down below, and
hold up your shirt so people can see it. Can't sit there and wiggle.
And
post a comment, like, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to check us out on
Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram.
And what days we post?
Every weekday, Monday through Friday.
Awesome. So I guess we'll see y'all later.
Bye.
Bye.